Hello and welcome to video 2 of your training. In this video I want to cover setting up your charts. We're just going to set up the charts, show you the indicators we're going to use, and then save those charts for easy access as we're learning how to trade this system. The indicators we're going to use in this system, I'm just going to give you an overview here and then we'll actually show you how to set them up on MetaTrader. We're going to use an exponential moving average. A 14-period EMA in blue color is what I'm going to add to the charts. And then we're going to use a custom indicator, or at least it's listed as custom in MetaTrader, the Heikin-Ashi indicator, and I'll show you what that is in just 1 second. And when you're adding moving averages to your charts, it's quite simple to do. In MetaTrader, they have the F plus button, the FX plus will add indicators. Trend indicators are right here on the chart, and you would select moving average to add your moving average. And I'm going to show you this again in just 1 second. And the Heikin-Ashi chart is under custom and then Heikin-Ashi, and we're going to use the default settings that come with MetaTrader. So I'm going to show you that. Let's just go set up these charts and save them so you'll have them throughout these training videos. Okay, so opening up MetaTrader here, all you need to do is get a chart on your screen. It doesn't matter which chart it is. If you don't already have one, you can just go to the Market Watch column on the left-hand side, right-click on any Forex symbol and click Chart Window, and then just zoom in a bit so you can see that the changes that we make here. And the first thing we're going to do is add a moving average. So we're going to go up to the Indicators button right up at the top here. We're going to click that little arrow down, and we're going to go to Trend and Moving Average. And in this case, I want to add the 14-period moving average. So if it doesn't say 14 here, type it in. We're using an exponential moving average, or EMA, so ensure that exponential is selected in the MA method, and apply to close is fine. Make sure you choose a blue color, or I'm going to choose a blue color, you don't have to. And then I like to make the lines big enough so I can see them, so I always select the second line for the line size. Once you've done that, just click OK, and now we have a blue line on our chart. That's our EMA 14. And the only other indicator we're going to use in this system is the Heikin-Ashi indicator. That's under Custom. We click the FX button again, or the Indicator button again, go to Custom, and then scroll down until you see Heikin-Ashi and click it. It's going to open this little window. It says Custom Indicator. Red and white is fine, so we're going to just use red and white and just click OK. And then when we zoom in on this chart now, here's our Heikin-Ashi bars and our EMA 14. Our charts are all set up. The last thing you're going to want to do is save these charts, which isn't difficult to do at all. We just right-click on the chart after we've added our indicators, scroll down to Template here, and then click on Save Template. And then just type in a template name. You can call it whatever you want. I'm going to call this Trading System 4, like so. And now I have that template saved. I can open up any other currency pair, so let's just do that. A US dollar, Swiss franc, I'm just going to open a chart window for that. And I can just right-click on this chart now, go to Template, hold my mouse over that, and then go down to the name that I just named it, Trading System 4. If you called it something else, then you would click that. And I just click it, and there we go. There's our charts on the screen here as well. It saved our indicators. It even saved the zoom level that we had set up. So now we're ready to start trading with this system. So assuming that you followed the steps we just took in MetaTrader itself, you should have some new charts that look similar to this. And make sure you save your chart. This will allow you to get easy access to it as you go through the rest of these videos. And just if you remember, as I said, just right-click on the chart, click Save Template, and then type in a file name and click Save. And then all you have to do on any chart is right-click and select your new template, and it will apply your new charts to the chart that you've opened up. And finally, just to give you an overview of what we're going to be doing over the next couple of videos, this system is a trend system. By trading with the trends, we increase our chances of winning on our trades. So this system basically, it gives us the right entry point, allows us to trade with the trends. And in this case, we're going to trade the daily charts in the training. So open up a daily chart, apply your new chart to it, and then move on to the next video, and we're going to talk about short trades. We're going to give you the rules for short trades and some real examples as well.